Okay, this is my reloading bench. I'm just getting it set up. I have that small counter space in my garage and wasn't big enough to put the 650 on, so I got this Craftsman at Sears and scratch and dent sale. This is what I make the video to show you guys, though, is the counter that my daughter and I built that counts how many rounds and how long you've been reloading. So I'm going to trade spots here with her and she's going to show you how it works. There's basically a magnet on the shaft that we shrink wrapped onto the shaft, and there's a magnetic switch built into the side of the box right here. This little black spot is just your typical window switch for your house alarm. And the two timers, this is a counter. It's an Omron. You see the part number there. And this is a clock, a count-up clock. And there's a reset button for each one and a start-stop. So she'll start by turning the clock on. You can time your reloading session. And then every pull of the handle, you'll see the counter goes up by 1. Every time that magnet goes down by that magnetic switch, it trips the counter one more time. Now, after you've reloaded for a while, you can stop and stop the clock. It goes all the way up to hours. That was just happened to be 20 seconds. You can reset the clock and reset the counter. The project box, the little blue box, cost about $8. The two red buttons cost $2, and the little toggle cost $1.50. I just happen to have the counter and the clock at the shop. It was sitting there on the shelf with no purpose. So if you buy those two parts, the counter and the clock, on eBay, I saw them for about $35 a piece. So anyway, that's that setup. Let me know if you have any questions about it, and I'll answer any questions I can for you. And right there is my daughter. Thanks.
Why'd you do